Hey, I'm Carl from Apt, and in this video we're going to show you how to assemble and install the pedestal on the back of the QN800A series Neo QLED TV from Samsung. So your next step is going to be to take this piece right here, and you're going to line up these two notches with these two cutouts on the back of the TV, and you're going to just line them up and slide it down into place. And when you're done here, you're going to have all the holes for the screws lined up together. You're going to take your 4 screws that were attached to this with tape on the back, and you're just going to screw everything down. And now you're going to take this big back plate, and this is where the One Connect box will attach to if you want it connected to the TV. And you're going to have this notch cut out right here, and that's going to fit right over this little lip on the back of the TV. So you set that down, and that'll kind of snap into place. You'll feel it catch. And then you're going to have 4 additional places to put screws in. Next, we're going to take the heavy metal foot that's going to sit on the table, and that's going to slide into a little notch along the bottom of the piece that holds the One Connect box. So you put that in, slide it all the way in, and then you're going to have 4 more spots to put 4 more screws. So from here, we're going to lift the TV upright, and then we're going to attach the One Connect box. So now we're ready to put our One Connect box on the back of the TV, but first, and this is a very important step not to miss, plug in your power cord first. So that's going to go into the bottom of the One Connect box, and then from there, there's a little ridge, and you can kind of feed it through there to hold it in place. And then your One Connect box is going to go on the back of the TV with all of your connections facing to the right as you're looking at the back of the TV. And that's just going to kind of fit on there, and it'll hold everything in place. Now we're going to take our smaller One Connect cable, and we're going to take the ends off. The smaller end is going to go in the One Connect box, so that plugs in here up towards the top. And you want to make sure that you can see this tab facing out towards you, because that's how you push it in to be able to unlock it. And then the flat, larger part, make sure that it says TV facing out towards you, and that's going to go into the connection on the back of the television set. And once you've done that, it also comes with this little clip. It's got a little arrow on it. It's sort of L-shaped. That's going to go through this little hole here, and it'll lock the cable in place so that it doesn't move as you're moving the TV around. So finally, you're going to then plug in all of your connections if you have anything you want to plug in, and then you're going to take this other cover, and this is going to go, it has a little notch right here, and then it has 2 little posts. Those posts are going to go into these areas right here, these kind of rubber, not grommets, but they're these little rubber areas, and you're going to put the little clip in first, and then those should line right up, and you just push that down, and now everything looks like a single piece. So that's how you install the pedestal on the back of the QN800A series with the One Connect box attached to it. Thanks as always for watching. We appreciate it, and make sure you stay tuned because we'll have more videos coming up.